The internet is full of questionable hacks, but which ones actually deliver? Let's find out. If you have hard stale bread, don't throw it away.
We're eliminating food waste and bringing this bread back to life. First up, take your loaf of bread and put it under the tap until it's completely soaking with water. Now, pop it in a hot oven, 200 degrees, for about 5 minutes. Slightly longer for larger loaves. And look at that.
I got my bread yesterday and kind of left it out, and it is like, it's a weapon. Let's try this hack to revive it. I'm gonna run over here. I'm gonna run it under water. It feels very soaked. I mean, it's dripping. Bread is soaked. Literally, I could squeeze like water out of it. Then I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Time to take out our bread. I'm gonna cut it. Oh, oh, my bread is soft and bouncy again. Oh, wow, it's nice and fluffy. Okay, I see you. No more stale bread in this household. Check that out. Actually, a genius hack. Double thumbs up. This next hack is meant to stop pasta from sticking out from your pot. Holding the pasta, fanning it out with the hand on top. Oh, did we get that? Did we get that? Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna push that down a little bit, but guys, look, it totally worked. That was satisfying. Double thumbs up for this one. It works. This one is for all my messy queens. This actually works. It's genius because I am guilty of spilling stuff everywhere when I transfer things from another cup. Spoon, rest it on the mug and pour. I'm too fast? Is that the issue? Why? After you try this, what's going wrong? Why can't I pour this? It's gotta be super slow and steady. I'm just too chaotic. Is that why?
Yeah, your spoon was like this, man. Your spoon was like that. Just put it down.
Put it straight down. Do you see? So I have such a supportive husband. He knows that I work off like negative feedback because it makes me with a fire. Channel my inner Zen. I need her right now. Zen, I need you. Why? Why? What am I doing wrong? Wait. I don't know. That's like, it's killing me. Ah, it's not just me. Right? Huh?
What a stupid act.
I don't understand why. Anyways, guys, for me, I've tried multiple times and I think I'm just gonna like...
Okay, biggest spoon.
Biggest spoon, okay, biggest spoon. My favorite mukbang spoon. Is this gonna work?
Yeah. No.
Why? Why does it start off going so well?
Maybe too fast.
I failed you guys. I failed you guys. I've tried. It's not the spoon, it's me. For me, if you're a chaotic person, don't try this because it's gonna be a thumbs down. If you're a little bit controlled like Alf sometimes, it might work for you. Thumbs down for me. Thumbs down all the way. It's never gonna work for me. This hack feels illegal. I've got some spaghetti I'm gonna drain from this pot. You could see that it doesn't really drain because the lid fits onto the pot and I need to create a gap using my toothpick. Toothpick in between. Pour. It works. It's working. It's getting every last drop out. I mean, it's not wasted, I can still use it. Huh? I can still use it after I eat spaghetti. It's not a complete waste, guys. If you don't have a pot with one of those draining holes, this hack is definitely a game changer. Double thumbs up. Just because, especially Alfred, man, like, double thumbs up.
Look at this. Perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Yes. I know, it's my dream.
Does everyone know about this hack? I've seen people do this with salt, pepper. You can do it with seasoning jars like this. So normally I would just do this, right? Everyone just does this. The sprinkle, the tap, 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 shake, shake, shake. But as you can see, not a lot comes out. And if you want to dispense more, you grab another little jar and then you do like circular motions. Let me try it with a different color, then you can see. I just noticed these have huge holes, so we don't have that issue with this one. Let me change it. Al's asking me why I'm so chaotic, huh?
That's big too.
Do you reckon that's big? It's fine, guys. Chaos is my middle name. I don't think anything is coming out. It has to be glass. Let me find another glass one. It works! I think I just emptied my paprika. It's all gone. Confirmed, it works, but you might not want to dispense your whole jar. I'm gonna give this a 1 thumb because a lot of the time I don't have an issue of like doing those extra few taps. If that's gonna save me from emptying my jar, I think I'll go my old school way. I don't know, but if your holes are too small or something and you need more spice, more salt, more pepper ASAP, then circle away.
Need to quickly soften your butter, grab a mesh strainer and rub it across the top of the butter.
I just took my butter out of the fridge. It's not softened at all. I'm gonna grab one of these little strainers and then just run it. Oh, give me Dr. Pimple Popper vibes, but kind of satisfying. Ooh, shaving my butter. I kind of want to do it again because I'm just like a sick person like that. I love watching Dr. Pimple Popper and this is giving me like pussy pimple oozing. Ooh. I need this hack. Do I use butter that often that I need to use this? Not really. But am I living for this hack? Yes. Double thumbs up. If you don't own a lemon or lime squeezer like me, this hack is for you.
If you don't have a lemon squeezer, you can use it inside of your tongs.
Grab your lemon or lime, pop it in between your tongue, and then squeeze. Okay, genius. I gotta show my mum this one. Compared to just my fingers, I'm going max power, guys. Max power right now. This is the one I squeeze with the tongue and this is the one I squeeze by hand. This one has a lot more juice left in it, so I need to use all the strength to squeeze this out. The tongue hack is a genius. I'm gonna say double thumbs up. I feel like I'm giving these double thumbs up away too easily, but these hacks are working for me. If you're an organized person, you would appreciate this. Am I an organized enough person to prep my butter? Honestly, no, but let's try this hack out. Straight out of the fridge, so it's still hard. I've got my parchment paper, pop it like that. I was saying use a butter knife so I don't actually cut through the paper. Valid point. Oh, satisfying. Oh my God, this is actually so satisfying. Like whoever thought of this has too much time on their hands, but I can also appreciate the effort going into this. I feel like you need to have a go. It's really satisfying.
Ooh.
Right? And it just stays. Look at that. Ta-da! That is so satisfying. So basically, if you need a piece of butter, take it off and it's like you've got your perfect piece of butter. Peel it, peel it, peel it. Place it in. Doesn't fit. Okay, the satisfying part was when she put the rest of the butter in like a perfect container. Mine is a disaster. Okay, I mean, not as pretty as hers, but you get the point. It still works. Very efficient. I'm gonna give it a 1 thumb because I don't think this hack is a necessity for everyone in the kitchen, but if you're organized, you can appreciate this. I'm like filing my butter. Did you know you do not need a peeler to peel potatoes?
You know, if you grab a potato, then grab a knife and run it through the middle of the potato like this. Then grab a pot and fill it with water. Add in the potato. Bring it to boil. After just 10 minutes, you can take out the potato. And then check this out, pull from each end like this. A little bit hot. The skin just comes right off.
You will need a knife, so that guy, he just scores the potato like that. I ran my knife through these. Now I'm gonna boil for 10 minutes. Gonna pop them in my pot, and now we wait. Potatoes have been boiled for 10 minutes. I've left them for about 5 minutes to cool down so I can actually hold it. Let's see if it peels. Hello? It is not peeling. Did you use special potatoes? No, it's still hot to touch, darling. Look, touch it. Should we give it another 5 minutes? I boiled these for an extra 5 minutes. It's so hot. Oh, it kinda, see that it kinda came off? I literally need to like squeeze it off. I just burnt my thumb. It's peeling, it's coming off. Did it slide right off like his? Not really. I think guys, just get a peeler because this is actually painful to peel. My thumb! It might be because he had a different type of potato as well. I don't know. But as you can see, that pretty much failed for me, so. Not a great hack. We have a very special guest, Lila. Say hello. You haven't seen her in a while because she started school, but today she's not feeling too well. But well enough to be in this video, right? Are you gonna help mommy with this next hack?
Yeah.
Do you think carrots have bones? No? Well, this hack will show you otherwise.
So a lot of people don't realize a carrot actually has two main parts. The inner core is known as the xylem, and the outer cortex is known as the phloem. If you roll the carrot with firm enough pressure, you can loosen the membrane that holds them together, and then slide that xylem out like a cork.
You see this part? I think this is fake. I don't think this will work. Like, how do you remove the core just with firm pressure? I have to push on this, Lila. It is going nowhere. Roll with pressure. Doesn't sound like anything is happening. Yeah.
Dad, you have strength.
You have strength? Yeah, Dad's quite powerful. Let's see. Let's see if he can remove the core.
I can do it.
Okay, Lila, you try. I think this is fake because I don't think it'll come loose. We're all trying. Like, put all your weight on it.
It's working.
It's working, Lila? I don't know in what world you would need to debone your carrot or remove the core out, so I don't really understand this hack. I actually think it's fake. Right now, it's leaning fake to me because none of us can do this. Is there a special carrot that you need? What if it's like a smaller piece? What if we like chop it and see if we put enough pressure on this to see if it loosens it? I really don't think it can be removed like that. What are we giving this, guys? Is this a fake? He said firm pressure. He didn't say like get the world's strongest man to squash this carrot. You're gonna check it with a light? Okay, check it. What do you think? Did it work? Not really. Lila's inspecting the carrot. I don't think we can get this carrot to be deboned, so we're gonna give it a thumbs down, guys. This hack is not useful and it doesn't even work. I know for a fact this next cucumber hack totally works.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
We have done a cucumber episode on this series, so check that out. One of the recipes called for a spiral cucumber, and I've done this once. Have I ever done it again? No, but it does work. I need thicker chopsticks. I'm gonna use actual chopsticks because they're giving me thin, flimsy cuts. First, you wanna cut it diagonally. We could speed this up a little bit to make it look like I'm a pro. Once we have these cuts, you wanna flip it around and then cut straight. This is the part that I don't even understand how this works, but I'm just like, okay. Like, how is this? Like, I don't have faith in myself right now. Time for the moment of truth. Does it spiral? Oh, it does. Isn't that cool? It's like a slinky. Should we call it slinky cucumber? You want to slink it? Come. Whoa, isn't that satisfying? I'm gonna give this a double thumbs up. It totally works. Whee! I'm nervous for this next one. Alfred is saying this hack is stupid. We shall see. It could be genius or a complete flop. She grabs a spoon, a little teaspoon, pops it on her thumb like this, and tapes it. She tapes the stick of the spoon. It's on. I mean, obviously I'm not going to chop myself. I mean, it's working. I don't know why you wouldn't use a chopping board. Like, if you didn't have a chopping board available, maybe this hack is like good, or maybe it's just faster. But then if I really want it to be fast, I can just grab a whole bunch and just chop it. You kind of have to get it at a good point where it, like the knife and the spoon completely meets, because it's rounded. If you don't, you kind of get this, like it's not cutting through completely. So I think it just takes a little bit of practice. I feel like it does work. It could be useful. I guess it depends on what you're chopping, and if you really just wanted to chop it like this without a chopping board, I can see there's a place for this hack. Would I use it personally? I don't think I would reach for my tape and spoon like this too often, but I'll just give it like a one thumbed spoon up. It works, but I think I'm just a chopping board girl. I'll just put it on my chopping board, much safer. Let me know, would you guys use this hack? That is it to this hack episode. Let me know if you guys want me to try more kitchen hacks out for you. I will mess up my kitchen and fingers so you don't have to. If you want to see more kitchen chaos, I have a whole playlist you can binge. Just click the video on screen. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and thumb this video. Check out part 1 because there was plenty of chaos there. Bye!